So today we are making the best ever spinach and ricotta quiche with basic kitchen staples. No use of a pastry dough or any ingredient that is unknown to us. We have 3 simple ingredients for the quiche crust and similarly 3 simple ingredients for the filling. That's all. Salt and pepper and we are good to go. To prepare the crust, we will start by taking a cup of toasted instant oats. To this, I am going to add 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal. The flaxseed meal will bind the mixture and provide fiber to the crust. To this, I will add 1/3 cup of melted butter to bring everything together. Mix everything together to make a uniform mixture and add salt and pepper to taste. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. In case you are liking the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. Then we empty the buttery, crumbly crust mixture into a 7-inch loose bottom pan. This is the most unusual crust mixture that you will have seen, but trust me, everything will come together once it's baked. Then with the help of warm fingers, we press the mixture into the tart tin. You could always use a flat bottom vessel if you don't want to use your fingers. Be firm and raise the mixture to the corner alongside the pan so that we can have the crust all around the quiche. To prepare the filling, I am going to take 100 grams of ricotta. Homemade paneer could work well too. You need to crush the ricotta with the help of fork so that it smooths out. Add 100 grams of boiled spinach to the mixture. I normally like to keep small batches of boiled spinach in my freezer so that I can use it whenever I want to. Now break the spinach into the mixture. Remember to remove the excess water from the boiled spinach. Ricotta and spinach is going to make a great combination in this quiche. Now we add eggs in the mixture. Here we are taking 3 small size eggs or 2 large eggs, giving it a whisk so that everything comes together well, and then adding some salt and pepper. Then adding some dried oregano as well. Then we mix in everything well and form a uniform mixture. We are creating a delicious filling for the quiche. Once the filling is prepared, we empty the quiche into the prepared crust and spread it out well. Top it with 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella and chopped basil. The quiche is ready to go in the oven. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes till the crust is golden. You will see how everything will come together magically in the kitchen. So here you see the top is golden and the specks of green that comes out from the spinach looks so amazing. And now comes the demolding of the quiche, which should only be done once the quiche is a little cold, around 10 to 12 minutes, or everything may just fall apart. Very gently remove the ring of the pan to release the quiche. It's a moment of utter joy to see the quiche so well cooked with a golden top and a crispy buttery crust. Gently remove the quiche into the serving platter. Packed with protein, fiber, calcium and iron, this quiche is a perfect solution for a healthy meal option. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee for breakfast and a side salad with your lunch, or an accompaniment with your soup for dinner. How good that could be. You could enjoy it warm or cold and taste great if you refrigerate it for the next day. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. In case you are liking the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you.